Okay, boys, so we got things outside. Let's go. Okay, so we're doing a service. We gotta do oil change on this tiller here. Oil change on this Husky mower. We got the Ford mower to do the oil change on. We got where's the leaf blower? Oh, there's the lawnmower there. We gotta do that oil change. They're gonna do oil change. Leaf blowers there. And yeah, so we got multi lawnmowers. Can you tell? One. Oh, this one's got a tiller on it though. But we have a deck for it.
Oh, we got one more mower too, but it's in cabbage. We gotta go dig it out the cabbage.
Oh, maybe we'll do that, eh?
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
Let me grab my scraper and my shovel.
Alright.
Dig it out the cabbage.
We'll go dig it out the cabbage.
See, it's kind of frozen the cabbage still.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Kind of. It's not as bad. We already dug it out a bunch. A couple days ago.
What are we gonna pull it with?
I don't know.
Ah, crap.
Slipping on the ice here.
We did her.
I see the front tires here were in the ice, eh?
Oh yeah.
So I wouldn't come out yesterday.
So we got her. So it's got the 48-inch deck onto it. 48-inch deck. Nice old mower. Nice old mower. She kind of sort of maybe runs. We got to work on it.
Oh, I know.
But that'll be in another video.
It's a clicking noise.
The battery's not even charged, so. But yeah, nice old vintage mower. Oh, we did her. Made it back, safe and sound. What are you doing, buddy?
Oh, I just get the shovel.
Oh.
We lost it back there.
Oh yeah. And boys, we're just gonna start up the mowers here and just let you see what they sound like. Alright, this time. Get in possession.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, buddy, stop there, bud, stop! I see fire! Alright, look it. Look. Get it. Oh, my goodness!
Shooting!
It's starting to like, it's like, I don't know if you could tell.
Getting stormy again.
Can you tell?
Covers on.
What are you doing? Huh? No, let's see.
Didn't like it. Didn't like it. America. Hopefully no sparky.
Oh, this battery, I don't know.
Sparky.
Oh.
Kinda. Stop!
Oh.
Ow.
Okay. Do a little bit, just a little bit, just do. What's up, bitch? Oh, watch out, buddy. What do you figure?
Decent.
Decent. Oh, Friggin' rights, boys.
Alright, we gotta move more stuff around now.
Oh,
A little bit.
oh yeah, what were we doing, buddy?
Oh, when I took it for, when I took the camera on the tractor, I kind of wasn't looking through the camera as much as I was looking straight ahead. So
That's about it for today. I think it's just miserable outside, and so we probably won't do too much more. So yeah, and yeah, if something's interesting going on, we'll record it.